Hey, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Driving a Land Rover and your dashboard is dead? No LCDs, no gauges, or even total power loss? Don't panic, this is one of the most common issues with Land Rover clusters, and today I'll show you why it happens and how we fix it fast. The instrument cluster is the brain of your dashboard. It shows your speed, fuel, engine temperature, RPMs, and warning lights. When it fails, you're driving blind. These failures are especially common across multiple Land Rover models, so on the screen, you can see the vehicles affected. Here are some common symptoms that might indicate your instrument cluster is failing. Main center LCD not working or dim. The smaller side LCDs are also dim or blank. Dim or inaccurate fuel, temperature, speedometer, or tachometer gauge not working correctly. Intermittent or complete total power loss. The reason why this instrument cluster might fail is the power supply inside is going bad, the stepper motors might be failing, the LCD driver is not working correctly, and this can be caused by heat, vibration, and yes, sometimes just plain age, wear and tear. Before sending it in, check your vehicle's fuses and relays, inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of corrosion. You can also plug in your OBD2 scan tool to check for any instrument cluster related codes. Replacing your cluster costs a fortune and often requires dealer programming. Repairing your original cluster is faster, cheaper, and it's already synced to your vehicle. We use OEM grade parts and back every repair with a 1-year warranty, and you can get an extended warranty up to 5 years, and our typical turnaround time is 3 to 5 business days. So don't let a dead instrument cluster leave you stranded. Visit UpFix.com today, send in your Land Rover cluster, and we'll restore your vehicle's instrument cluster back to new. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit the like and subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.